this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram post not uploading. So for that, first of all, open up your control center. From here, check if your Wi-Fi is stable and it's working properly. Or you could simply turn on your airplane mode, leave it on for about 10 to 15 seconds. After that, simply turn it off and then you can use it, or you can even switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi. The next thing is simply click and hold on to Instagram icon, go to more features, go to app info. From here click on force stop, then confirm it. Then go to storage uses. Here you'll find clear data and clear cache. Click on clear cache. After that simply open up Play Store. In the search bar search for Instagram. Here you will find this update button. If you find it, simply click on update. Now simply wait for your app to get updated. Now once your app is updated, you can simply press and hold on to this power button. From here, simply restart your phone. Once your phone is restarted, you can try relaunching Instagram. And if it's still not working, then simply click and hold on to Instagram icon. Click on uninstall, confirm it. Then download Instagram again and then log into your account. And try posting again. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.